regret. I swear again, I'm mad again. So troubled since I don't know when, because she doesn't live here anymore. She hardly calls at all. Now when she's gone, I find myself lost, staring at the wall. She doesn't live here anymore. She hardly calls at all. Since she's been gone, there's nobody here to catch me when I fall. Thank you. Avec notre passé pour guide, on se devrait d'être lucide. Mais notre méfiance est à bout.